Hey guys, one thing to note before we get started. We're only using Thrive Builder for these demos as it was the easiest page builder to use at the time of the recording. But please feel free to use any page builder of your choice.
On this video, I'm going to show you how to set up tables as well as numbered and bulleted lists on both WordPress and Thrive. Let's start with the lists. So we're going to do it on the Mad Hippie page, and we're going to do it on the WordPress first. So let's scroll down here. So this is an ingredients list. So we can put a bulleted point list here. A lot of people do this. They just put a dash in front of it, which is the wrong way to do it. You don't get the benefit of the structured data if you do that. Also, sometimes when you copy and paste things from Microsoft Word or from other websites, it puts in a symbol for the bulleted point list. You also don't get credit for that. You have to select it and then make sure you click this button right here if it's a bulleted list. So you want to make sure it's showing up. If it's a numbered list, same thing. You just click the number list. But for this one, it's a bulleted point list. You want to make sure it's properly showing. Also, if you're planning to add in an image, make sure the image is on the right side so it doesn't mess up with the bullet point list. And right now, we're going to do it on Thrive. Scroll down to the key ingredients section. And then for Thrive, you have to go here and then select styled lists. You have a few options right here. Let's choose this one and then paste it in. Copy the contents, paste it inside. And then if you want to create a new one, just press enter. Copy and then paste. Let's create a new one. And then you want to make sure you delete all the empty elements. Once you've done that, you can also edit the colors of these arrows. So you can click this one and then click green, or you can change the style right here. You can also edit the margins and paddings if you want. So that's it. Sadly for Thrive, it doesn't have numbered lists. So if you want to create a numbered list, you will have to create a WordPress content element and then put in your data in there. So data one, just pretend this thing is. So you just create the number list through the WordPress content and then click save. And then it'll show up a numbered list. And that's how you create lists on WordPress and Thrive. So right now we're going to create a table on WordPress, and we need this plugin called TablePress. And then now we're going to create a new table. So let's just name it Vitamin C Serums homepage. And then for the columns, let's leave it at 5 so we have a lot of data in it. Numbered rows, since we have 5 products, we need an extra one for the title. And then let's click add table. Okay, so now scroll down here. You need a little bit of HTML skills for this one. So we're just going to create center in bold and paste it in here. Let's do product. And then this one is it natural. I'm just making up data. And right here, free shipping. Skin type. And say price. Okay, let's paste it in right here. So let's do Obagi. And then for the product name, and then break line. And then let's add an image. So I already got the image link right here. Obagi, and then type in image source, put in the link. Make sure you add an alt tag. So Obagi, and then let's add in a CTA. So break line again, and then have the CTA image right here. So break line, and then here, image src, paste in the image. Don't forget to put in an alt tag for the image. So say best price CTA, and then an affiliate link. So I usually just start the affiliate link in the first code. So we only add one affiliate link instead of adding 2 for the image, for the product image and for the CTA. So we're just going to cover the whole thing. So make sure it's no follow. Make sure it's opening in a new window. And then close the tag right here. Okay, let's preview it, see what we have. Okay, so the image is too big, the CTA is too big, so let's add in some size restrictions. So let's go with the product image first. Let's do width, say 80. Let's do height, say 82. CTA, let's add in a width of 150, and let's see what we got. Okay, so now it looks way better. Maybe we need to increase the size of the image to make it look better. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now let's add in stuff here. Actually, we don't need to do this. Let's just do, is it natural? So yes. Actually, let's make it center. Free shipping, yes. Skin type, let's say oily. Price, say $40. And let's see what we have. Okay, so now we got data. And then you just need to fill this out with more products and more data. And then once you're done, click Save. Copy the table ID. And then paste it on your page. Copy the short code right here. It's always on the top. Paste the short code and then publish. Okay, let's view the page. Okay, so now it looks good. And there are more settings right here. I usually not show the table name, just hide it. This one's hidden as well. Highlight a row. Yes, this one's enabled. I usually just disable this whole thing right here and just click Save. And that's how you create a table using TablePress. So now let's do it on Thrive. So now we're here, just go to the right side, scroll down, and look for the table right here. So let's drag in table, number of rows, 6, columns, 5, create, and then put it in the middle, center, and let's change the color into orange. Okay, so this one, let's do product and font size 24. This one, free shipping, font size 24. Is it natural? Font size 24. Skin type. Okay. Okay, so same thing. Let's do Obagi. If you want to make it bigger, you can bold it. And then you just add in elements into this cell. So let's go add in an image element into the cell inside, just under Obagi. Let's copy image URL, enter from URL, paste it in. Make sure you put in an alt tag. Say Obagi. And then you can adjust the image size here. Make sure it's center. Just to make it a little bit smaller. Okay. Next is we can add a button right here, or you can just use the exact same image for the CTA that we did from the last part, or you can just use a button element. And you have a few options right here for the button. And then let's do color red. And then here, actually let's do green because it looks like it pops out a little bit more. Say best price. This is only for the demo. If you're using Amazon, we would not recommend to use the word best price for the button. Actually, let's just do click for price. Okay, so now let's make sure we have the affiliate link in them. Then here, free shipping, say yes. Is it natural? Yes. Skin type, oily. Price, let's say $40. Also, again, if you're on Amazon, you can't use prices. It's against their TOS, so we're just doing this one for the demo. And you just have to go through and add in all your products and until your table is complete, and then you can save changes. And that's how you create a table on WordPress and Thrive.